Smart constantly innovates to improve the lives of our almost 5 million subscribers. Smart Money lets you enjoy life's simple pleasures without cash. Smart Aces connects you not just on land, but even at sea and in the air. So be a part of the smart world, simply the widest. Smart.
Simply amazing.
Making wonders for tomorrow's generation.
You know, the first time I tried organics, something really great happened to me. What? A model didn't turn up for the show, so the designer asked me to replace her on the catwalk.
Oh, won't you come back?
I was pretty shocked, but my hair felt great that day. So I felt really confident. And the show went on smoothly. You did well on the catwalk, right? Actually, my hair saved the day.
Organics. Air with life. You with confidence.
สีสวยไหมอ่ะน่ารักค่ะที่เข้ากับหน้าเหรอ
ไม่มีผิดหวังเพราะซันซิลโปรคัลเลอร์พัฒนาให้เข้ากับสีผมและโทนผิวคนเอเชียโดยเฉพาะพร้อมเฮนน่าคอนดิชเนอร์จากธรรมชาติ
งั้นฉันทำให้หน่อย
ซันซิลโปรคัลเลอร์
Sina, ngayon daw ako'y wala na sa talbot, kalusog ko pa rin. Kako'y kare-kare at lumpia ni Goldilocks. Alay, sino daw kasi Goldilocks? Kako'y inang, di naman babae si Goldilocks. Umiyak.
Pag may hirap, dapat may sarap ng Goldilocks.
Oh, it's okay. Ang natural fresh flavor tang, sagana na sa sarap ng purong oranges, sagana pa sa vitamina. Sagot ko yan. Ang katunayan, may sangkap Pinoy Steel.
Basta tang, inom lang ng inom. Ano ang tatak ng sigurista?
Control of details.
Lulu Tangan, fashion designer.
With my knits, color is an important detail. Kaya kahit magkamansya, I make sure di ko kupas ang kulay when taking out the stain. I only use Breeze Color.
Sa Breeze Color, pulbos o bareta, tapos ang mantsa sa unang laba. At sa color care nito, tingkat ng kulay protektado.
Pag di color, sigurado ako sa Breeze Color. From Unilever.
Excited na kami sa birthday nila. At magpapasikat sila. Close open, close open. Arak, kendeng, kendeng, kendeng. Aba, singlinis ng lampi ni Twinkle ko. Mamahalin din ang panlaban nyo.
Laban po sa Sir.
Sa Sir, wala makikitang pagkakaiba sa linis ng ibang mas mahal na bareta.
Marunong sa buhay. Wais.
Para sa marunong, Sir.
Nay, naglalakad na sila.
It's party time.
Mula sa Unilever.
Kung extra laki ang gutom mo, may extra large na pancit canton. Bagong Payless XL 100 grams. Kasyang-kasya sa malaking gutom. Payless XL pancit canton. Extra laking sarap, extra laking busog. May toyo mansi din.
Pag walang damit si baby, pag nakadamit, tinanong ko sa pedya. Sabi niya, para maginhawa ang balat ni baby, sa halip na ordinaryong bareta sa paglaban ng damit niya, dapat perla.
Extra alagang Perla. May natural ingredients at gentle whiteners. Ang Perla ay banayad na lumilinis at nagpapaputi.
Laging extra alaga ang damit ng aking mga baby. Sa perla, tama ang aking pedya. Extra alagang perla.
Summer is the worst time for your hair. Di ba nakaka-dry? Anong nangyayari sa buhok mo paglabas mo sa tubig?
Talang hirap suklayan, sticky.
Pero lalambot hot oil yan with Rejoice Rich Sachet. Who's willing? So papayag kang kumain sa Rejoice Hot Oil Challenge.
Siguro. Sige.
Ano masasabi mo? May portable sink kami sa beach.
Galing.
Silly hair.
Madulas siya, malambot, parang hot oil.
Kaya ngayon summer, mag-Rejoice Rich Sachet.
Lambot hot oil, tulas hot oil sa isang Rejoice Sachet.
Tinapon ko na to eh.
Bakit ang mga nanay tago ng tago kahit luma na?
Anong luma?
Pwede pa yan.
Kasi si nanay may paraan para pumuti ulit ang nalumang damit, babad sa powder ng magdamag, usot sa bareta. Pag may mantsa, ibibleach pa. Pwede naman yan. Pero ngayon, mas gagaling pa ang paraan ni nanay sa bagong Ultra Tide with Bleach. Isa kaya lahat. Magbabad sa Tide ng 30 minutes. Magkusot. At may bleach pa ang Ultra Tide. Kaya ang lumang damit mukhang bago ulit.
Buti na lang, sulit.
Kahit kailan